how to deactivate Shopify Store. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can deactivate your Shopify store in just 1 minute. So firstly, I want you guys to log in into your Shopify store. As soon as you guys are logged in, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard in front of you. So now from over here from the bottom left, click on settings. And then after that, you just have to click on plan. And then from over here, you guys are going to see your plan. So if you have your paid plan running, well then over here, you guys are going to see the option to deactivate store. Well, for me, it's just a trial. So I can just simply click on deactivate trial and then I will see this particular pop-up come up, which is basically cancel subscription and deactivate store. So as soon as I click on this, my store is going to be deactivated and my subscription is going to be canceled. And this is how you guys can deactivate your Shopify store quickly in just 1 minute. So guys, this was the video. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.